Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to make this horse head come out of the computer screen, like you see on the screen right now. And we'll go ahead and start on an edit page. I have my first clip here of the computer. By the way, I got these from Pixabay, so I can't leave them in the description for you. They're not mine to give away, but you can find them on there. And go to Fusion. With the media in selected, hit a merge. Select the media in, get a polygon. And if you check the invert, you don't have to cut the line. We can do our masking this way. I couldn't find a better picture. It's not quite wide enough, but I was able to make this work. Put the green on there so I can see it better. Plug that into the merge and the green and swap inputs. Select the median 2 and get a transform. And we'll start our mask. The more precise you are with this mask, obviously the better it'll be. For the sake of the tutorial, I mean, I spent too much time on it. Now let's switch the inputs back. And now if you select the polygon again. By the way, we're not going to animate this, so we'll get rid of this keyframe. When you get to back to the computer, you're going to switch to the inputs again. And then select the polygon again. And when you close the loop, you should have the other picture. Now you see why I put the green there. I'm going to select the modify only tool for now. And select the transform. Depending on what your media is. We'll go with something like that. Once again, select the polygon. Now we're going to move these all around. As long as you're on the modify only tool, you won't make any more points. If you highlight them, you can move all of them at once. You can also use the keyboard, the arrows. Then we have a smooth and a linear. If you want to add any points, select the third tool over. And click away and get a better look at it. Now we'll get his ear at the top. It's a little spot right here. All right, now we'll get the ear. We'll go back to this tool so we can make another point. If you hold the control button down, you can manage the handle better. I don't have a middle mouse wheel on my controller. It's not available on a handicap controller, so that's why I use that drop-down menu, in case you're wondering. A little spot here. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.